The world is entering an era of artificial intelligence, AI, where the clamor of change is being felt everywhere. However, there are also challenges to artificial brains. This is the reason that experts are warning about adopting a responsible attitude in the use of new generation technologies. AI chatbots like ChatGPT are now bent upon mechanizing many of the clerical, administrative and management roles in the office system. Recently, OpenAI has introduced plugin support for ChatGPT. This will expand the databank of the chatbot and will also provide updated information. Earlier it was limited to information and events data till September 2021. Web browsing is the big start. ChatGPT plugins will give BAT access to third-party databases and large knowledge sources, including the web. Although, plugin support with many tools has started, but web browsing plugin is very special in all of them. This will enable ChatGPT to mine information from data available on the web to respond to user queries and prompts. The plugin uses the Bing Search API. It will also have links related to the source, so that the information can be verified. Now grocery shopping, restaurant booking also. OpenAI continues to make efforts to expand the use of ChatGPT in the real world. With the introduction of plugins, tasks like grocery shopping, travel planning, writing code will become easier. For the time being, it is available to limited users and developers. There are also security concerns. While the utility of the language model increases with the addition of tools, it also has some inherent dangers. There is no permanent solution to the wrong and irrelevant response of the language model. If evidence-based. If there is a system of reference, then its popularity can increase further. Plugin support started in ChatGPT, users will get updated information. OpenAI has introduced a new support for its AI which is supported by plugins. With its help, not only will the databank expand, but relevant and updated information will also be available. Let's know about it. Jagran Photo. New Delhi. After making a splash with ChatGPT, OpenAI has now introduced plugin support for its popular chatbot. This will not only expand the databank but also provide relevant and updated information. Let's know about this change and its effect. The world is entering an era of artificial intelligence, AI, where changes in human life are being felt everywhere. However, the list of challenges posed by artificial brains continues to grow longer. This is the reason that experts are warning about adopting a responsible attitude in the use of new generation technologies. AI chatbots like ChatGPT are now bent upon mechanizing many of the clerical, administrative and management roles in the office system. The development of the comprehensive language model has reached GPT-4, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, where the scope of its utility becomes even wider. Plugin support in ChatGPT. Recently, OpenAI has introduced plugin support for its popular chatbot, ChatGPT. This will not only expand the databank of chatbots but also make it easier to get relevant and updated information. Earlier, ChatGPT was limited to information and events data till September 2021. Web browsing is a big start. ChatGPT plugins released by OpenAI will give BAT access to third-party databases and large knowledge sources, including the web. The company is now also providing an opportunity to developers to create ChatGPT plugins. Although, plugin support with many tools has started, but web browsing plugin is very special in all of them. This will enable ChatGPT to sift through data available on the web to respond to user queries and prompts. The plugin uses the Bing Search API to find the desired content. The special thing is that the links related to the source used in preparing the response will also be available, so that the user will be able to easily verify the given information. Things like grocery shopping, booking restaurants will be easy. OpenAI continues to make efforts to increase the use and impact of ChatGPT in the real world. It has milestone plugin. However, the plugins are initially meant for a limited number of users and developers. It will be added to a wider user base in the coming months. Currently, early plugins have been created by Expedia, FiscalNote, Instacart, Kayak, Clam, Milo, OpenTable, Shopify, Slack, Speak, Wayframe, and Zapier. Will help in these tasks. Travel planning. ChatGPT with Expedia plugin will help you plan your travel, stay and get around information. Similarly, Kayak will be helpful for searching flights, rental cars and preparing a travel budget. Online shopping. The Instacart plugin will help users order from local grocery stores using an AI chatbot. Similarly, Klarna Shopping will search the prices of various products from thousands of online shops. Restaurant booking. The ChatGPT OpenTable plugin will browse local restaurants available for booking and provide other related information to the users. Skills training. While Zapier will integrate with over 5,000 apps including Google Sheets, Trello, Gmail and Salesforce, Speak will serve as an AI-powered language tutor to help you speak any language. Similarly, Wolfram will explain about computation, math and real-time data. The limitations of the language model. AI chatbots are helpful in a variety of tasks, but they also have limitations. Let's go about it. It only receives information from the training data and gives feedback. Information may also be out of date and irrelevant. The specialty of the language model is that it gives you information in the form of text, which can be used according to your need. Plugins are like the eyes and ears of the language model. It is necessary to use them properly, otherwise there will always be scope for their misuse. Plugins will only prove useful if they are able to provide real-time, more personalized and specific insights from the training data. There is much more work to be done for OpenAI to address many of these challenges. Security concerns will increase. While the utility of the language model increases with the addition of tools, it also has some inherent dangers. A permanent solution to the erroneous and irrelevant response of the language model has not yet been found. Plugins can have a special role in this. Through this, recent information and their sources can be told. The popularity of the language model can increase if there is an evidence-based reference system. This allows accurate answers to be verified from the source.